Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've partnered up once again with FabFitFun to bring you their winter add-ons. I'm so excited. I love FabFitFun. In case you don't know anything about FabFitFun, let me just give you a little bit of information. It's a seasonal box, which means you get it 4 times a year, and they cover anything from lifestyle, wellness, beauty, fashion, anything like that. Each box is $49.99, but it has a value well over $200, so it's totally worth it. And with, I have a coupon code that will get you $10 off your first box. And the coupon, I'll put the coupon code in the description box below, but it is SNOW10, okay? And to get access to these winter add-ons, you have to be a member. And these add-ons sell out quickly, so if you see anything you're interested in, go ahead and jump on it because they sell out very fast. And different people that show you the add-ons will have different items, so stay tuned for everyone's items because they're all going to be different, okay? And this is sort of like a flash sale for members only, and you can get some really good products at amazing sales and discounts. So let me start telling you what I have in my winter add-ons, okay? Okay, I have Queen Bee, and it's a Retexturing Serum by Tagalongs. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And it renews dull skin with amino acids and humectant honey and a lot of antioxidants. So let's see, and you get this little dropper with it. I've never tried anything from them before, so I'm excited to see. Oh, it has a very clean, really clean, fresh scent. Okay, and it says just to put this over freshly washed skin and rub it in, and then use your moisturizer over it. I know honey's very good for you, so I just put a little bit. Oh, it feels very nice. And it goes in very quickly. But then once you put it on your skin, it really doesn't leave a scent, which is nice. It won't interfere with anything like that. I love this. Well, this is a good thing I'm looking forward to using. Okay, the next thing that I have in my winter add-ons is Skin & Company Face Gamache, and it gently exfoliates and polishes skin to reveal a dewy, clear skin. And it's vegan-free, natural, 98.3%, phthalate-free, GMO-free, and gluten-free. Okay, that's what this looks like. All right. I need my skin exfoliated gently. Oh, this smells nice. It smells like coconut. And it comes out like that. Oh, and you can feel the little exfoliating particles. It smells like coconut and papaya, I think. I'm really gonna like this. Really gonna like this. That, so far, I love everything that I've gotten. I love it, okay? So we'll put this over here. And then the next thing is Sila Essential Balm. Okay, and you can use this head to toe. It says that it's a nourishing body balm made with powerful Canadian ingredients enriched with plant, butter, extracts, and oils. Okay. It says you can even put it in your hair. So let's see what this is like. My hair gets so dried out from being color treated. Let's see what this is like. Ooh, comes out a lot. Okay, it's just like a little balm like that. And it says to massage it in your fingers. This kind of smells like you've been to a spa. You can see that it's it leaves. I'm really gonna be Soft and supple. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Okay, and my next item is the Cusio Yoga Muscle Fitness Balm. And it says that it helps revitalize and energize sore muscles after rigorous activities and exercise. It says it has a cooling sensation and it helps sore and injured muscles. It's made with natural essential oils, no artificial fragrance, paraben free, and not tested on animals. So let's give this a try. You can see that. Now this kind of just smells like Bengay to me, to be honest. That's what that smells like. But if you have sore muscles or you're having muscle cramps, it would be good, and you don't have to worry about anything artificial in it. So that's a good thing if you're having muscle cramps. I know I've started having some in my leg where I'm started doing my Tony Little workout again, which I love, his Easy Shaper, but that would come in handy for that. And the next thing I have is Aloe Up for the face. It's a daily facial moisturizer with sunscreen, so that is good. You can always use sunscreen down here in this harsh weather. And it has an SPF of 25. So let's see what this is like. This just smells like you've been at the beach, just like a regular sunscreen. Okay, and my next item is the EIR NYC Snow Patrol. And what this is, it's another sunscreen with zinc, like if you're gonna be out like at the beach and you wanna protect your nose or your cheeks or your skiing or something like that, this would come in very handy. It kind of smells, it says an all-natural cocoa spiced sunblock is your woodsy cold weather safeguard against UVs and free radicals. Let's put it over here. And it does leave just a little, you can't really see it, but it leaves a nice little area there. So that is nice. When I'm out in the pool, I'll definitely put this on my nose because my nose always gets a sunburn. Okay, and my next item, I'm excited about this, is the Nylotica Goddess Glow. Who does not want to look like a goddess, okay? It says apply evenly all over your face, either under or blended with foundation, or just to the high points of your face, like your cheeks or your nose, or even you could do it at the tops of your shoulders or down the front of your legs. And it says it's a unique ultra hydrating treatment with soft focused pigments that creates a natural glow. It's 100% organic, and this is in the rose gold shade. So let's see. I'm all about trying to look like a goddess here. Oh my, you can see. Let's see what this does. I've never tried it. I did go online and it looked like it had a lot of good reviews. So let's see what this does. Oh, it is beautiful. I don't think it's gonna come across, but it does just give you this most beautiful slight golden glow. I don't think it's picking up, but it is gorgeous. I'll definitely be using that. Okay, and my next item is my Tagalongs 3 resistance bands, and it has 3 different levels. So this will come in really handy. Oh, this is the heavy one. It even says heavy. And this is light. This is me. And this is the medium. I hope to become medium, okay? So let's open the light and look at that. My husband would definitely be the heavy. Oh, you could do so much with this. Oh, this is not bad. I could probably even do the medium. This is not bad at all, but you could do so much with it. You could put it like that. Oh, I love these. And these are so easy to travel with too. That's one thing that I really love about that. Okay, and then my next thing I thought was so cute. It's grow your own avocado. And it gives you instructions exactly how to do that. It just says, get a pit, put it in, and watch it grow. So let's open this and see. Okay, it just says cut the avocado in half, take your pit out, peel it, place it in place it in this little container, place it in a bowl of water, and just let it go. I think that is so neat. That's a cute little thing, you know? So I like that. And then my next item is a Kari coin purse. It's the new gold snake. I think this would be really handy because it's the right size. It would fit in any size purse. You could carry your cards. You could carry some money in here, bills or just coins, or just put your ID in here. I love it. And this is by Jules K, and it says it right back in there. I love that. It's so pretty, and then it just has this gold little lobster claw. But this is nice, even if you wanted to just put like some lipstick in here, help keep yourself a little organized. I love that, and it's really soft. The front looks like this, and the back is like this. I really love that. And then the last thing I have in here is the V8 Hydrate Natural Electrolytes Super Hydration Coconut Watermelon. And if you decide you want this, you can get this for free as an add-on. So that's good. I like that. Okay, it says it has 1 serving of veggies. Okay, let's try this. I haven't tried it. That is good. It tastes like coconut and has a little hint of watermelon. I do like that. So this is everything that I have for my winter add-ons, and I'd like to thank FabFitFun for partnering with me once again. They'll be sending out their winter box within the next several weeks, I would say. So if you like any of these add-ons, jump on them because they won't last. But I do love a lot of things that I received. I really do. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.